from Bulgar.
Ay, Marias, looking good. Parang naingit ako sa hair mo. Ganda. Pero ano ba yan? Totoong buhok? Or...
Ano lang to, layers lang.
Oh.
Tapos extensions.
Kala ko naman may pinagdadaanan kaya ganyan.
Wala po.
Wala naman. Oo, kasi alam mo naman sa showbiz, di ba pag nagbago ka ng hairstyle, iisipin nila may pinagdadaanan ka.
Hindi, may bagong movie lang napanood. Kaya iba yung...
Ay, iba yung Oo. Pero kasi Maris, yung love team nyo ni Anthony talagang nag-gig, di ba, sa Can't Buy Me Love. So, I just wanna know, paano kasi no-support ng iyong real-life boyfriend na si Rico Blanco doon sa success mo ngayon, sa success ng love team nyo ni Anthony? Hindi ba siya nagsiselos? Kasi kung ako yung boyfriend, parang sa sobrang click nyo, tatablan ako eh.
Hindi sila sa Rico. Supportive siya.
So okay lang ba sa kanya? Kasi balita magkakaroon kayo ng next project ni Anthony.
Yeah, supportive siya sa next project namin. Yes.
Ano ng development doon? Kailan na mag-push through ba siya?
Magsa-start na po kami soon. Ngayon lang, ready lang yung table readings, yung workshops, ganun po.
So parang ito yung highlight talaga ng career mo, Maris, dahil ang daming nagkagusto dun sa role mo. So parang talaga ngayon yung year mo, di ba? So at this point of your life ba, anong mga priorities mo, Maris? Career or personal life? Kasi medyo matagal na rin kayo ni Rico. What if at the height of your career, bigla kang alokin? Uso pa naman yung mga marriage proposal.
Focus lang po ako sa career.
So mas priority mo pa rin yung career. Pero do you see yourself ending with Rico?
Yeah.
Oh, but, ay, sorry. Nagiging emotional ka. Sorry. Would you like to say something?
Can we request for tissue paper, please? Yes. Thank you. Yes. Hi. Let's have some. There.
I'm so scared. I'm really scared. Dami kasing tanong about him and I'm tired of smiling and nodding. I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. Yeah, Rico and I are over.
So sorry, Maris. Okay lang ba mag-share ka, Maris? Kasi parang emotional ka.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life.
So, I know, may pinagdadaanan ka nga. Pero paano ka nagko-cope up ngayon?
Nanonood lang ako ng Bluey. Ayun lang. Well, walang nagtanong, but nangyari? Well, wala akong short answer for it. Hindi ko rin siya malabas ng isang statement lang kasi hindi ganun kadali. Hindi ganun kadali. Sobrang complicated niya yung situation. Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter, music, everything. It's spontaneity, everything. Sa 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. But I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. And the truth is, I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yan, change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is that it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan. And wala ka nang ibang gawin kundi you have to face it and confront it. Because it's been in the back of my head. So yeah, I told Rico about it. I told him my problems, my issues sa buhay. And he took it like a man. He took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk because I love him so much. I love him and he loves me. But I have so many questions about my life and how will I go on sa buhay with him, and I have so many questions about me, my sense of self. It was so difficult. But it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of our relationship, it was still full of love, full of understanding. Enrico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through my 20s, you know. But I can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. And
Oh, sorry to hear that, Maris, no? Pero once and for all na lang din. I'm sure kasi after your being open about your situation, maraming magtatanong dahil na kung nag-click yung ano yun ni Anthony, baka madamay siya at isipin ng mga fans na may kinalaman si Anthony sa breakup.
Anthony is out of the picture here. It's just mainly me and Rico. Mainly me. I'm the issue.
So after this, okay ka pa bang magsalita? Or this is the first and last time na you'll talk about it?
This is the only time I'm gonna ever talk about it. Since, well, we're at it. I would like to humbly ask the public to look at us, Rico and I, with understanding and love, because we're both grieving. Hindi naman makakontrol yung mga opinion ng mga tao, but please don't direct your hate towards Rico, because he's too precious for that. If you guys want to throw some punches, I'm ready to take them. Yeah.
Thank you for being honest, Maris. Sorry. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Janice. And Maurice, if you'd like to